What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. Well guys, in this particular video, I'm going to be answering that why exactly Google Pixel devices are not that much popular in India. Today, I'm going to be answering two major questions. The first question is why exactly Google is not that much popular in the Indian market. And the second question is the upcoming Google Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro coming in India? Well guys, see, the number one reason why exactly Google is not popular in the Indian market is the overall value for money. Well see, in the Western market, the amount of money that every user spends behind a new device is much more higher than that of in India. Well, in the Eastern market or in the Eastern part of the world, majority amount of people are actually very much price sensitive, and especially in India, the value for the money products are way more popular than the flagship alternatives. Well, just take example, like around 15 to 20,000 rupees, you're getting the Realme 8 Pro. With this phone, you're getting a high refresh rate display, a Super AMOLED panel, you're talking about 108 megapixel camera, and overall, around this particular price segment, you're absolutely getting one of the best offerings out there. So this was just an example to tell you, well see, Google Pixel lineup is extremely popular for their overall software experience, that be the Google Pixel 1 or the current Google Pixel 5. All of the devices are absolutely extraordinary in terms of the software because it is Google's approach. Well, Google themselves makes the Android, so they are having a clear vision for a true Android phone, and in simple words, Google's Pixel lineup is the best flagship or the best version of an Android phone. And that's the reason. Well see, behind every single device, let that be by Realme, Oppo, Vivo, Samsung, Huawei or any other company, there is Android running behind. And it is not only about the price tag, it is about the overall specifications, because in India, majority amount of people who are buying a newer smartphone are youngsters, and in this particular age bracket, people are obviously curious about the latest specifications. So companies like Oppo, Vivo, Realme, Redmi and all other ones which make budget and alternatives are way more concerned. Like even if they are not having a polished software, still they will focus a lot on the overall hardware. So yeah, the main problem with Google in the Eastern market and especially in India is not just regarding the price tag but the lack of hardware. Well, don't get me wrong, the processor in the latest Google Pixel device is definitely bleeding edge. But apart from that, Google makes very few changes. Like for example, the Google Pixel device doesn't have the highest refresh rate display, it doesn't have the best color calibration, and overall, in every single aspect, it is kind of a basic phone. And we all are familiar that the main USP, which is the unique selling point of all of the Pixel devices, is the overall camera system. But we all are familiar that recently, rest of the Android competition has gone so far ahead. We are talking about 50 megapixel, 100 megapixel camera sensors. But on the other hand, with every single Google Pixel device, you're only getting the 12 megapixel sensor. And guys, we all are familiar that with the upcoming Google Pixel 6, Google is going to be doing absolute breakthrough. Well, if you have not yet checked out my earlier video related to this particular topic, then I will highly recommend it. So right now, I have discussed the main reason that why exactly Google Pixel devices are not that much popular in the Indian market. And now, let me come to the most important topic, and that is the upcoming Google Pixel 6 lineup coming in the Indian market? Well, looking at the track record, the Google Pixel 1 and the Google Pixel 2 series was quite popular in India, but the Google Pixel 3 lineup was a bit expensive. And with the Google Pixel 4 lineup, Google launched the Project Soli, and because of this particular mechanism, it couldn't come in the Indian market. But recently, the Google Pixel 4a, the 4a 5G and the Google Pixel 5 are officially available in India, and you can pretty much be confirmed that the Google Pixel 6 series is definitely coming. Well guys, I have already made a dedicated video talking about the specifications, talking about the Indian price tag, and overall, in that particular video, I have given the entire knowledge. Well guys, with the help of this video, I just wanted to say that these are the problems that Google is facing in the Indian market. Well guys, please, if you have watched this video till the end, then click the subscribe button because it motivates me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.